what if have a natural birth? What if I have a natural birth? Can it pass to your baby? That is a great
Great
question.
question.
Now, the percentage of that happening is way low, but it normally only happens to women who do not know that they have herpes. And a lot of women assume that they're getting tested for everything. It won't test you for herpes. Even if you're pregnant, they won't test you for herpes, y'all. So you got to require that test. If a baby contracts herpes through the vaginal canal, this is called neonatal herpes, and neonatal herpes is fatal. A baby's immune system is not built up enough to handle the herpes virus. But I don't want to say that to scare you. You can still have a baby. You can still have a natural birth. You can still have a vaginal delivery. I had a vaginal delivery. My son is herpes negative. We have a workshop we offer, links in both of our bios, titled Moms with Herpes. It's featuring myself. When I found out I had herpes, it's the same day I found out I was pregnant. It's featuring Alexandra Habuska, founder of Life with Herpes. She had her baby, what, 2 years ago? And
Yeah, her
then
baby's like 2 or 3.
Cece, who is an HIV and herpes advocate. She has both HIV and herpes. We cover any question you may have around pregnancy and just being a parent with herpes and possibly passing herpes on to your child in that workshop. If that's something that you're interested in, I highly suggest you go cop the Moms with Herpes workshop. It's nothing out there for the community. It's one of it. I can't even speak right now. Go ahead, Amber. Help me out. Help me
It's
out.
one of a kind, baby.
There we
If you
go.
are
Boom.
a mom or like me, I don't have any kids, but kids are something that I do want to have. And so if you are even thinking about having kids, or you have a lot of women, we have questions about being able to have a child. Can we have a vaginal birth? Can we still kiss our babies? Can we still, what questions do we need to ask our gynecologist or, our OB? So that workshop, literally is nothing like it. So
Yeah. How to create
for
a
sure.
plan, what you
Yeah.
can ask your doctor not to do, what you want your doctor to do. You can have it without taking medications. You can take medications. I mean, we share a lot of information in that workshop. So, ladies, even gentlemen, if you want to have a baby, couple moms with herpes workshop.